Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change the program options. If you click on the bottom options, you find the program options in the left bottom. Here you can select the informations you always want to use when the PV Manager opens, like the standard language or the output directory. Then you click through the menu like you would do in a normal project. If you normally work with different flat roofs, like a bitumen, or on pitched roofs with specific tiles, you can select it here. You can also change your typical module manufacturer or the module type. Every information you can type in here always appears when you open the PV Manager. Important is also the inverter manufacturer. If you only use one specific, you can select it in the drop-down menu. You can also select the cabling for the DC and the AC side. For the order, you can choose if you want to have a footer or not. In the quotation, you can change how the prices should be shown. If you only want to show the total amount of the price, you can select it in the drop-down menu. Also, the document title can be changed from a quotation to an invoice or a credit note. In the tools, you can change informations for the profitability, like the value for the finance. In the AC cabling, you can also change the cable material or the method of cable installation.